Hi folks, welcome back. Today I want to share with you some more of what I found. These earrings I found 2 separate days, and they're in one of my prior videos. They still have a little bit of mud and junk on them, but they came fairly clean when I brushed them off. This was at an old park behind a old hospital. And the park's about 4 miles long, and these I found at an old farmhouse that was built in the 1800s, mid-1800s. A couple owners turned into, was originally a fruit farm and then a dairy, and then the city took over here in the 1900s, and then it burnt down. And so these are probably 2 miles away from where I found these. Same park along a creek. And so these silver $50 mercury dime and then this quarter, all found in the same area of the old farmhouse. These were found behind the old hospital. This one I also found behind the old hospital. This one's kind of bent. It's, I don't know what it's worth, but it's 14 karat. Anyway, I found that there. And then this token was also found behind the old hospital. This one here I dug out and showed you. I couldn't tell what it was, but it is a token in the back. It's a really neat thing for me because it's the name of my channel. I had no idea. And it was kind of surreal to me, still is. The back, a real neat saying, God grant me the serenity to accept things I cannot change, courage to change things I can, the wisdom to know the difference. That means a lot to me. It's excellent. But anyway, I wanted to show those to you, and also wanted to share a jar of some relics that I have found. And it's just odds and ends here and there. And these were, I find a lot of these. These are 9mm, and they were in the park, in the seating area of a baseball diamond that's in the park. It's it's the first park that was created here in the Central Valley. And so that, I don't know, these were a couple of inches below the surface. But I took them and I kept looking for more just to make sure that I did find, whatever was there. There's no guarantee that I did, but, I tried for obvious reasons. I didn't want kids finding them or, sitting there and then all of a sudden they surface. So, anyway, these are some other odds and ends. Now, at another park near the river, I'm finding a lot of these shells and bullets, pistols, rifle, knives, shotgun, lures, just different odds and ends, and then I found this one. I don't know what that is. No markings, hollow point, and it's huge. It's, I did try to look it up, and the closest I got was to an old, a Gatling gun, believe it or not. It matches the size, dimensions, caliber, because it doesn't have the markings, I really can't tell what the caliber is other than, on the website. Now, I've got this magnifying glass. I put a small one over the big one, and it works, really nice. And for me, that's, I'm getting older, so it's huge for me. But anyway, that's what it looks like, and so it's pretty neat. I'll give you a look at those earrings since we're using this. These are really neat looking. They still have a little bit of mud on them from where I pulled them out. Of course, that area is kind of sandy, loomy, so, but yeah. So I found one day, And then the other one I found the following day. I went back, and then I kind of got emotional because, I mean, that's pretty unheard of, you know. And so anyway, there they are. I think they're pretty neat looking. And then, of course, the ring, you know, that's pretty neat. Like I said, I don't know what that's worth, but, you know. So anyway, these are the kind of things that I've been finding, you know, and some of this stuff is, I don't know how old it is, but it's just odds and ends, knives. Of course, this isn't everything that I found, you know, and then I've got these jars that are filled with things that I'm soaking. Now these I'm soaking with baking soda and vinegar, and they come out pretty clean. I've got a couple of jars, you know, that I'm fill. I don't want to fill them too much because I kind of stir them up as they're soaking, you know. But now I've been using my Garrett. It's an Ace. It's 350, and you know, it's been real good. You know, I've got it, and I've used it quite a bit, and I've got it to where it's telling me, you know, what I want to know, and the depth, and you know, the type of metal that I'm searching for. And you know, I've been kind of lucky, you know, and I have a lot more, you know, more items, you know, but anyway, this is what I thought I'd share with you today. So good luck to y'all, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.